Hello guys. Statistics is all about numbers, okay? It's all about numbers, and there are two branches of statistics. Number one is descriptive statistics, and number two is inferential statistics. So the study of statistics has two major branches, descriptive and inferential. So descriptive statistics, it involves organization, summarization, and display of data. For example, if there is a class of 1,000 students, okay, and you want to calculate what is the marks of an average student. So what you will do is that you will sum all the marks of the students and you will divide them by 1,000, and you will see, and if the number is 50, then you can describe that on average the students in the class got 50 marks. Of course, individual marks might be different. Some will get 60, some will get 30, some might get 50, but on average the marks were 50%. Inferential statistics is, it involves using a sample to draw conclusions about a population. So let's suppose that there's a country and it has like 50 million population. Now you want to find out whether how much percentage is there of female and male. Now, of course, you cannot count 50 million people. So what you will do is that you will take samples from different areas of the country. For example, you will take some samples from the village, some samples from the cities, okay, and some samples from the towns, and you will calculate the number of males and females in each of these communities, and then you will extrapolate them. Okay, let's suppose the you will say that in these communities the percentage of female was probably 50%. So based on this, you can infer, you can deduce that in a country of 50 million people, the number of female would be 25 million people. That is 50% of 50 is 25 million people. So that is inferential statistics. Okay, you draw conclusions, you based on a limited data. Okay, you draw conclusions about a population. Remember, population is a bigger thing. It's like this, it's a population, and this is a sample. So in inferential statistics, you study this sample and you draw inferences about this population, whereas descriptive statistics is outside in approach. It's like this is, you have the data about the population and you want to find out specific things about that. For example, mean, median, mode. So that is the aspect of descriptive statistics. I hope this video clarified. For more videos, do subscribe to Bearbull.